Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to use Microsoft People for Office 365 on our computer. Tutorial 2, create a contact. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this company works with a business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go there onto the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Applications, scroll to Explore all the applications. Now click on Microsoft People. Let's wait for that to load. And now to create a new contact, we can do this a couple of ways. If we go to the left-hand side navigation menu, top bar, where we have New Contact, we can click on this, or we can click on the drop-down menu, click on New Contacts, or what we can do is use a command Shift and N. That should bring up this screen that will allow you to create a contact. Or what we can do is within the middle of your screen where it says you haven't added anyone to your contacts yet, if I click on add a contact, that's another way to create a brand new contact. So what we'll do is go to the left hand side navigation menu, top menu, click on new contact, and now we will add a name. Let's just use a made up name. So this is the admin account. I'll just say admin videos. So that's the name. The first name is admin. The second name, surname is videos. We can create or we can add more. Click on the email address. Let's just use the admin's email address. So that's admin@computersciencevideos.com. Enter. Go to add more. Let's use a nickname. CSV. We can add a phone number. Let's just say mobile. That's the number, which is a created number. And if we wish to, we can add the work, title, address, and other if we wish to, but that's for another day. Let's now click on create. So this contact has now been created, and we have the name, the title, overview, contacts, organization, files, email, LinkedIn, all together. And so that's how you create a contact on Microsoft People. Let's now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.